So guys, ito ang mga ingredients sa paggawa ng hotdog and cheese bread rolls. Meron tayong breadcrumbs, cheese, hotdog, eggs, at saka sliced bread. So let's start na. Let's go. So first, suka tayo ng tinapay. Then, lalagyan natin ng hotdog and the cheese.
No, I'm smelling the cheese. Wait. Guys, smell ko sa cheese.
Tapos, i-roll lang po natin. Yan, roll na. Tapos, lalagyan natin sa, bibit natin sa eggs. Tapos sa eggs, bibit naman natin sa breadcrumbs. Yummy-licious.
Yummy-licious.
Tapos na yung isa, lagyan natin dito. Tayo ulit. Paulit-ulit lang po yung process. Yan. Bibit natin siya. Hanggang roll.
Hi.
Okay guys, so ready na siya. Piprituhin na po natin. Ayan po sila lahat, 13 po yan. 13 pieces hotdog and cheese bread rolls. Let's go! Prito na. Okay, wait until golden brown. Nandito na yan. Yung sauce, ilan tayo na mayonnaise. And then, ketchup. Tapos, minimix lang po natin. Mix, mix, mix. So, ready na ang ating sauce. Ting! So, yan na. Meron na naprito. Last one. Okay guys, ready na siya. Yummy. Ang cheese na meron pa.
Yes, it's me, Bugs Bugs. Now give me your hand. I'll let you guys decide to speak.
Okay, finished product. Yummy ate? Yeah. Yummy and crunchy, cheesy. Let's eat guys.